Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm trying to clean up the front end of the FRS. When the wrap was installed, they disassembled the whole front end to install it, so I have to disassemble it to take off all the little pieces, and I've been driving around with it for a little bit and it's definitely getting annoying at this point. So I finally am breaking down and tearing the front end apart to try and get to all these little pieces, like around the headlights, and in between the bumper and the fender. They left a lot of little pieces. And then they completely wrapped around the front bumper. So there's some on the bottom I didn't get to. They took apart the grille. And then they got all in behind it as well. You can see right there how far they actually wrapped on that corner. They went way back. I did take off the antenna and got in under that. That was really easy. So I'll show you detailed on how to do that when we actually install the new wrap on it. And then my fender garnishes, one completely fell off, and the other one, of course, if you have an FRS or 86 or any BRZ, whatever, the clips just suck. So the other one is just hanging out. So I had to get new, not fender garnish, the side markers. So I'll probably install those today as well. So let's get started. And also, if you guys want to know how to take off the front bumper, I know I already did it, so I will have a link in the description to show you how to do that, complete step by step. I did it in a previous video, so I'll link that video as well. Okay, now I just have the grill left to take off, so I'm getting behind it. As most of you might know, if you have an FRS, these clips on here, I can get the focus a little bit better, they suck. So, you know, you see a lot of people with it just like this, especially the bottom ones. Yeah, that's how mine is most of the time. You can like push it back and wind just blows it back, and yeah, it just does that. I might just delete it eventually, but then the rest of them should be pretty easy. These screws right here just attach this piece. So you just pull it up. Just work your way around. Alright, bumper's looking good. Got all the stuff out of the grill. All the extra stuff around where the bottom of the headlights go. Looking fresh, I like it. Now I gotta take off these headlights, get in, because they must have took them off to get in behind them so they could do that whole fender. You gotta take off these brackets right here, and there is a bolt here, or there's a bolt here, here, up top one, right there is one, and then there's one way underneath. Let's see if I can show it. Right, oh, my finger in the way. Here we go, right there. Alright, so once we have the bracket off, there's just two, there's a clip up top here and then just this bolt. And pull it kind of towards the front of the vehicle, to the center of the vehicle, because there's a little pin that positions it here. Right there. Low beam. And there we go. It's not perfect, but actually it's really far from perfect. I'll tell you, there's some wrinkles in the back over here, right above it. The face is pretty good. I don't see any like imperfections, and then there's a little bit at the bottom. But yeah, I think it, even if you're standing a few feet away, I think it looks good. Definitely going down the road it'll look a lot better, but guys, my channel is all about my learning experience. So what I want to show in my channel is I want to be 100% transparent with it. Like, I'm definitely learning, and the biggest reason why I started this channel is because I wanted to document that. I want to be able to look back, 5-10 years from now and say, hey, this is where I was, and then I can look forward and be like, yeah, this is how much I've grown, this is how much I've learned, and I can appreciate that. So let's keep moving and try and do better on the next one. Alright, well, today kind of had its highs and lows, so I'm thankful to say that 100% of the wrap is completely off the car, the old wrap. It's really bugging me, all the little pieces that were still hanging around, but looks pretty good. It's all gone now. Trying to tint the headlights did not go very well at all. It just looked like shit, frankly. I need to do a little more practice, and I just didn't have enough material to do it. I did do the turn signals, the front ones, and from about right here they look alright, but if you get real close there's a few little wrinkles and things in them. But as for now, I'm just gonna leave them on. I don't know if I want to eventually just keep them wrapped but do a better job, or have someone more professional do it, or I just might buy different ones that already have like a smoked lens. But it's all put back together, so. But thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna address these side markers actually in the next video, so these things. But thank you for watching, guys. Later.
Go on and hate me, because I do what I do. Go on and hate me, 'cause I got nothing to